what are the big wins that are happening right now? And can you give us a little sneak on what's coming next?
Why we created these breakthrough products is largely in part, we were able to use science to create breakthroughs in our lab. And we do that through, number one, we have the ability to test beyond lab assays. So people just go by lab assay. It's got 80% of this, 20% of this, 50, whatever, or it doesn't have these contaminants. But when you actually put that into a lab testing into a digestive system, so you recreate a digestive system in the lab, you'll find out that many of these things aren't bioactive. They don't impact the bacteria culture. And the bacteria culture actually take what you consume and convert it into building blocks, energy units, antioxidants, all kinds of cool things, right? And magnesium is what big game changer in that. When you add magnesium, just even a tiny amount to everything, it just seems to turbocharge everything. I won't go into all the mechanisms, but it's definable. And then this next thing is does it actually get delivered to the cell? So we have special microscopes. We can actually see the stuff actually going into the cells and things like that. And so what that allows us to do is to find, number one, the best raws in the market that are beyond what you might think from a lab assay. Number two, to see, do they work in the digestive tract? And number three, do they get delivered to the cells as we would hope so? Are they bioavailable and accessible? We also test for cytotoxicity and genotoxicity. Does this ingredient or this combination create, problems that people can't handle? And so that gives us a superior capability to create formulations in a product category it's almost a mathematical certainty that someone else trying to even copy the same ingredients could do that unless they have the same lab. There's very few companies that have a lab like us.